To all my new customers and my returning supporters, thank you for being here. I'm starting my first custom 3D printing project, a Naruto and DragonBallZ inspired design for a 5th generation Honda Prelude. This build will include a custom center radio dash and custom dash vents. This project brings back a lot of memories from when I was a kid watching anime. In many ways, I'm still that same kid. Just now, I get to create and build things inspired by the anime I grew up loving. I'm excited to bring anime-inspired customization into car interiors and share the whole process with you. Stay tuned as I start printing and bring this design to life. Make sure to follow for updates, progress videos, and the final install. I don't guess, I engineer it right. Signature is forever. Customizing every detail for that perfect fit. Anime, performance, custom culture. This is AnaiahPrint. Wait till you see the final install. It's going to be legendary. More custom builds coming soon. Stay safe and stay legendary. Prelude Nation, I'm out.